hey guys, what is up everyone? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another vlog of Shom's Lifestyle. We are back here at RC Tunes and आज जो गाड़ी है जो बहुत लोगों का इंडिया का one of the most favorite compact SUV में से है, that is Tata Nexon and Tata Nexon के ऊपर मैंने बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाए. So उसके ऊपर आज Superchips Stage 1 ट्यून होने वाला है. पहले आप लोगों को आदि से मिलवा दें. How are you doing?
All good. Welcome back to RC Tunes.
Firstly, tell your address and tell your phone number.
Yeah, we are at 188 by 50 Lake Gardens, and my number is 9830758567. You can reach us everywhere on Instagram, Facebook. Instagram, you'll find us at tunes_RC or Superchips Kolkata.
So, आज जो गाड़ी है उसमें क्या-क्या था, क्या-क्या किया है?
Right. So we had a Tata Nexon come today. This Nexon has a 1.2 Revotron engine. Tata has developed this engine with AVL, which is a separate company, and the engine that way is a very good and potent engine. You know, like it's got a huge amount of capability. It's got good capacity. But from Tata's end, in the development, the software is not really that, should I say, well developed. So we went for a test drive. Firstly, you know, to understand where the car stands in stock form. And the tune from Tata is very inconsistent. There are a lot of flat spots in the tune. In second gear, between 2,500-3,000 RPM all the way to 4,500 RPM, the car bogs down quite often. There are a lot of flat spots in the car. So firstly, we needed to address that, and the turbo lag is also quite immense. And initially, even when you go light on the throttle, the car basically doesn't respond. It's almost like there's nothing there in your right foot, which is kind of sad because the engine is actually developed very well. So we are going to be giving a stage 1 tune which basically addresses all those problems and gives you that extra punch and Tata punch. But at the same time, it will allow you to enjoy your car while you're driving in the city because you are mostly in second gear and lower gears. And of course, overall the power and the efficiency does go up.
So what is the stock power output and what is the after output?
So from company it's around 108 bhp, and we're seeing gains of around 20-25 bhp from factory, and torque goes up by close to 30 Newton meters. And this is where we stand with normal diesel, normal petrol, and normal climate conditions, and of course can be developed further, pushed further.
So now the car is producing more about 128, 135.
Right, close to. This is ballpark figure. Right.
ये जो ECU है ये पूरा जो है बेंच करके ट्यून किया गया है, right? So this is not a OBD tune. Okay. So आप लोग थोड़ा देखो ट्यूनिंग प्रोसेस, then we will go for a drive in that car and then आप लोगों को दिखाते हैं कि क्या क्या जो है चेंजेस हुआ है in the driving.
Up, no sunlight, so cold, sleep is nice, so tired, my eyes fight, they just wanna close back up tight, get up, hoodie on, hard work at the crack of dawn, this life ain't for the weak ones, no, this life pure only for the strong, feeling slow, shake it off, don't got time for negative thoughts, red sight, got the dot, shoot my shot, I want the top, never lost, got my plot, know my story, I know my boss, I will fight against the clock, time's a limited gift from God. One day I will have my victory, crush all my enemies so viciously.
Just scan the car. Cars become a lot smoother now. Let's go test it. Sure. देखो चला गया स्मूथ। वो जो आप फील कर रहे थे ना पहले, गायब हो गया, पूरा गायब हो गया, जॉकिंग था।
पहले क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया, अभी क्या एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हो?
सो फर्स्टली स्टॉक कार में आई नोटिस्ड अक्रॉस द रेव बैंड there was a lot of flat spots meaning where the power delivery was sort of dipping. So between 2,500 to 3,000 RPM there was a massive flat spot, and shortly after that, at around 3,500-4,000 RPM, there was another flat spot. So there was a lot of inconsistency in the way the car was putting the power down. So obviously inside the cabin also, it was causing a motion, a rocking motion. So it felt very uneven. Even in third gear, which is usually you don't feel the kind of dipping in power, but it was there. And now that after we have tuned the car, it's a very smooth and linear power band. As you can see, at around 2,500-3,000 RPM, there's no dip in power band, it just surges. So this kind of a feel gives you the, maybe a car from a higher segment would drive like this, because all 1.2 turbos from the entire Nexon range suffer from this problem. So this is a must have. And you stay in second gear most of the time in the city. So you live with that gear practically. So if you can make that better, why not? We get to test the high end, see what it's like at the higher gear.
So I'm driving the car right now and पहले भी मैंने ये वाला जो है वेरिएंट बहुत चलाया हुआ है. So अभी स्पोर्ट्स मोड पे गाड़ी है and instantly बहुत ज़्यादा पावर डिफरेंस है गाड़ी में. Just like Ali, when Ali was driving, he said कि सारे के सारे जो फ्लैट स्पॉट्स है वो गाड़ी में मिट चुका है. एक्चुअली दिस इंजन पर्टिकुलरली नेक्सॉन में बहुत ज़्यादा फ्लैट स्पॉट्स होते हैं. मतलब कहीं पे आपको फील है कि गाड़ी का मतलब गाड़ी भाग ही नहीं रहा है. आपका फुट टू द फ्लोर है लेकिन गाड़ी नहीं भाग रहा है. लेकिन ये ट्यून के बाद जो सारे के सारे ये जो प्रॉब्लम्स है, ये टर्बो भी किक इन करेगा तो पूरा गाड़ी भागेगा एकदम लीनियरली. दिस इज़ सुपर चिप्स. दिस इज़ हाउ सुपर चिप्स वर्क. सो गाड़ी बहुत ज़्यादा जो है लीनियर हो चुका है. अगर आपको इसको स्मूथली चलाना है माइलेज के लिए तो आप बहुत आराम से चला पाओगे. देयर इज़ नो जर्किंग एंड ऑल जो हायर गियर्स पे होता है ये सब गाड़ी में. सो या ओवरऑल इट्स वेरी नाइस. सो एक बार मैं ओनर को दिखाना चाहूँगा. तो आपने पहले भी गाड़ी को मतलब बैठा हुआ है पीछे. सो आपको कैसा फील हो रहा है आफ्टर द ट्यून?
बहुत ज़्यादा पावर इंक्रीज हुआ है. जो जर्की फील होता था वो अब नहीं रहा. बहुत इंजन स्मूथ हो गया है, वो रफनेस चला गया है और काफ़ी बेहतर हो गया गाड़ी.
ठीक है, इनको अभी पीछे बैठ के ये फील हो रहा है. अभी ये गाड़ी जब चलाएंगे उसके बाद भी एक बार जो है फीडबैक हम लोग उनसे ले लेंगे. वैसे भी गाड़ी जो है बहुत ज़्यादा स्मूथ हो चुका है. द गियर शिफ्टिंग ऑल्सो चेंज्ड अ लॉट आफ्टर द ट्यून. ठीक है. If you guys enjoyed today's video, for whatsoever reason, do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn notification bells on, follow me on Instagram @image.username404. As always, at the end of today's video, I look forward to seeing you next video real soon.
Another day, you can't stop me with some pain. I am here to make a change.